Hello there. I'm here with Chris Rosati. And Chris, could you explain what you do here at XpertVR?
Hey guys, I'm the technical artist here at XpertVR, and basically, what that means is I get to do a lot of the stuff in the engine where we develop our simulations. So basically, we're going to start off with this scene here. We're in sort of a diner environment that we've been working on for our most recent project, and right now there's no lighting at all in the scene. This is just the base color, base shading that Unity, that our game engine Unity applies. So if I were to turn on our lighting, as you can see, we don't have anything lit. But we definitely need some lighting in this scene. So I'm going to teach you guys how to really quickly do that. So to set one of those up, we just go up to here, game object, go up to light. Let's create a new area light. And if we zoom in on this little piece, you can see it's just a square. And as you can see, nothing is going to happen. Nothing's going to change in real time because this is a baked light. So what that means is that we're going to eventually bake all of the lights in this scene, and that's going to take some rendering time offline so that once we're playing our simulation, there's going to be no calculations that are happening in real time. So that really helps for us in VR. We've set up a light probe group. So all of these little dots that you see here is basically, these are used for smaller objects that we don't want to set as static. If we go back to our light probes, this basically takes the closest probe to your object, let's say this knife right here. It finds the closest probes and it calculates what that lighting would look like in the baked calculation, and it basically simulates that lighting on your object in real time, but it doesn't incur the same amount of calculation costs as a real-time light. So all of those things put together, I'm just going to switch back to our scene that has finished lighting. Okay guys, so after we're done placing all of our lights and baking it, this is the final product. There's definitely more revisions we want to add to this project, but the lighting is in a really good state right now.
All right, Chris, thank you for your time and showing us how we light scenes at XpertVR.
Thank you.